You've heard of 7-layer dip. And although its 7 layers are delicious, a big game calls for a big dip. So in honor of Super Bowl 47, we are making a 47-layer dip.
There's certainly a lot of layers, Jack. It'll be interesting to see if she can pull this off.
Well, it should be quite the contest. Now, I am concerned about the tater tots.
The tater tots, that's a tough ingredient.
So let's get started.
Now, you know, Dirk, one of the impressive things about this dip is that she's actually divided it into different sectors or regions.
Cornbread is coming up, which indicates that this is the southern region.
Now, she's just added the chicken nuggets, I believe.
Nuggets, supersized!
Now comes the ground beef, which can only mean one thing. We're entering the burger region of the dip.
This section is sure to be a Whopper. Like the burger.
French fries. I mean, what can you even say?
Now, she has transformed these fries from noble, elongated creatures into miniature, very malleable things. She has created a substance that she can fully control. Oh, no, she's not. She's mixing fries and ketchup here. You really can't go wrong with that combination.
So we're seeing the addition of some cheddar cheese. I like cheddar on a ham sandwich.
Can you give me a ham sandwich recipe?
My wife has a really nice one that has a nice balance.
Oh, your wife has a really nice one.
As we enter the fourth quarter of the 47-layer dip, it is important that Rachel finishes strong.
And wow, she means business. It looks like she's about to break out some Fritos. We just had some chili. I think we're going Frito pie.
Oh my God, it's chorizo.
We're at layer 44 right now. There are only 3 layers left, and she is showing no sign of slowing down.
Tots time.
Every dipcaster comes to a point in his career where he sees something that truly takes his breath away.
It all comes down to one last layer. It's scallions.
47 layers.
Well, there we are, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, puppies and kittens. 47-layer dip. When you eat this dip, you're going to want a very sturdy tortilla chip to make sure you can accommodate as many of those layers as possible.
Alternatively, you could put your hand all the way down in it, if you made this at your house, and just pull up a whole chunk.